Welcome back to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. I was out here to get some compost from my DIY compost bin, and I noticed a bunch of yellow jackets on something, so I got Jerry to come down here and kill them. So we're going to get my compost that I've got and head up and work on our blueberries. We had 3 blueberry plants that were in pots, and I think they're about to outgrow them, so we're transplanting them into the ground. So these 2 right here are ones that we have already transplanted, and we've got a 3rd one. We'll show you what we're doing. So first I'm going to, since blueberries love acidic soil, I'm going to be putting some of this into the bottom of the hole. Not a whole lot. And then just kind of around it just a little bit. So now I've got some of my composted soil that I'm going to put down in the bottom of it and around it. Then I'm going to take the blueberry plant out of the pot and put it in the ground. Just kind of loosen it up a little bit. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit more dirt back in because this hole is a little bit deeper.
Well, and that one seems smaller too.
Yeah. There we go. So I have this one tiny little one, which is one that I have did a cutting from my daddy's blueberry plants, and I'm not going to plant it into the ground yet. I think it's just too fragile, so I'm going to put it in a bigger pot so hopefully it can thrive with some of my compost. My soil acidifier. But now it's time to water them. Got my worms doing their jobs. Thank you for sticking with us as we transplant our blueberry bushes. We got them a few years ago and they've been in pots ever since, but this year we noticed that they really weren't putting out anything like they had been, so we figured it was time to put them in the ground and see what they'll do. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe. We'd appreciate that. Like this video, hype it if you can, and we'll see you next time on Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Bye.